In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your YouTube logo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can update your channel's profile picture quickly and confidently. First, open your web browser and head over to YouTube. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the channel you want to edit. Once you're on the main YouTube homepage, you'll want to go to your YouTube dashboard. The simplest way to think about this is that the dashboard is your channel's control center, where you manage videos, settings, and in this case, your logo. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your current profile picture or a default icon if you haven't set one yet. Click on that profile image. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and channel. From that drop-down, click on YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is where creators manage everything behind the scenes, and it's also where you can customize how your channel looks to viewers. Once YouTube Studio loads, focus on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down if you need to, and click on the option labeled Customization. This section lets you control the branding and layout of your channel. Inside Customization, you'll see different tabs and sections. Look for the section titled Picture. This is where your current logo or channel profile image is displayed. Next to that image, you'll see a button labeled Change. Click on Change. A window will pop up that allows you to select a new image from your computer. Choose a clear, high-quality picture that represents your channel well. Make sure it's a square or close to square, and check that it still looks good when it's small, because this logo will appear as a tiny icon next to your videos and comments. Once you've selected your new image and adjusted the crop if needed, click on Done to confirm your choice. You're almost finished, but the change isn't live yet. Look to the top right corner of the customization page and click on Publish. This step saves and applies your new logo to your channel. After publishing, it may take a few minutes for the new logo to update everywhere on YouTube. Refresh your channel page and you should see your new YouTube logo in place.